Hello, hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to read another book, Dora at the Carnival. Yes, boots also. Hi, I'm Dora. Do you like to play games? Me too, Boots. And I are at the carnival. That's a festival where you play games and win prizes for Boots, and I want to win the grand grand prize and big piñata. Then a piñata breaks open all things of prizes fall out like toys and stickers and treats. To win the big piñata, we need to call 8 yellow tickets. Will you help us win the big piñata? Great! Who do we get to help the big piñata? Let's ask Map. Say Map. Hurry, 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 calls Map. You have to go past the Ferris wheel, then go around the merry-go-round. That's how you get to the big piñata. Along the way, we'll collect the 8 yellow tickets by counting off rides and playing games. We made it to the Ferris wheel. Look, it's Senator Can. Here he is. He says he can ride the Ferris wheel, but first we have to find an seats. Will you help us find an on the Ferris wheel? But blue shape is next to it. This one? No. 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 This one? Yes. Girl, we have found it. Why you found it? And higher we go. Whee! Next, we'll go to the merry-go-round. Can you see it? Where's the merry-go-round? That's right, you found it. It's right here. There's Isa and Iguana. The iguana. Isa says that if we ride the merry-go-round and find the orange ring, we can win more yellow tickets. Will you help us find the orange ring? Explode, you found it. We just won 4 yellow tickets. Yay! Let's see. We had 4 yellow tickets from before, and now we have 4 more yellow tickets. So, how many tickets do we have altogether? That's right. Let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. That's right. The answer is 8. Oh, we can win the big piñata. Can you see it? Could you see it? Is it here? No. Is it here? No. That's right. It's right here. Can you see it? Come on. We're almost there. Oh, that sounds like Swiper the fox. That sneaky fox will try to swipe our tickets. Can you say swipe? We have to say Swiper no swiping. Say 3 times. Swiper no swiping. Swiper no swiping. Swiper no swiping. Then Swiper go away. Thanks for helping us stop Swiper. We made it to the big piñata. Step right up stairs, and if you need 8 tickets to win, we have 8 tickets. Chico, we won the big piñata. Look, all of our friends are here to help open the big piñata. To open the big piñata, we need to pull the green ribbon. Can you see it? Can you see the green ribbon? Could you see it? Is it right here? No. Is it right here? No. Is it here? Yes, you found it. Reach out and grab it with both hands. Pull. Hurry! We open the big piñata, and look, there are toys and stickers and treats everywhere. Thanks for helping us. Hope you like my story. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.